Sometimes it can be challenging to latch your baby when you have larger breasts, especially when your breasts are bigger than your baby's head. And so one of my favorite tricks is to take a receiving blanket and you roll it up. And you can use this as a prop because you can lift your breast and place it underneath there. And so that way, instead of your nipple facing towards the ground, it's actually facing your baby's mouth. And now it's easier to see if the latch is comfortable, as well as adjust your baby's latch if it's uncomfortable or too shallow. This is also a great trick when pumping with larger breasts because the weight of the breast can sometimes pull down and cause you to need to lean over while you're pumping. So propping up both breasts and then putting the pump flange on can make it so that way you don't have to sit there and hold your breast the whole time, and it also will relieve some pressure off your back and your neck.